This question says, use the equation to estimate the score for 16 hours of study per week. Now, there seems to be a typo here, so let's just change that 16 to 17. It was not updated. So change 16 to 17. Use the equation to estimate the score for 17 hours of study per week. So you are saying to yourself, what if I study for 17? How much you think I will score? So it's like you actually thinking ahead, you're thinking in the future, you are projecting, you're forecasting, you are predicting what will be the score if you study for 17 hours. And to help you make an objective projection, not something you feel, oh, I feel I will get that. You have a solid objective equation that will give you a measurement, that will give you a number. Okay. All right. And you can bring that number to the table. Okay. So what if I study for 7 hours? What will be the score? So H is equal to 17. So all you do is substitute 17 in the place of hours. And then you estimate the score for 17 hours of study. Okay. So that's what I meant when I told you to, if you can appreciate the significance of this. Imagine this was other variables in a real life situation, and that is happening every day. Okay, collecting data to make, informed decision based on data collected on a daily basis. This is happening. All right. To plan, to prepare. So after substituting 17 in the place of hours, you go to your calculator. 42.82 according to these numbers. Remember, this is a hypothetical example. So, but this is a research that can happen in the real, and you can actually will take a look at it. Okay. So now, because you have a project, remember, you have a project doing collecting real data, and this will form part of the analysis when you come to data analysis. Okay. So your equation obtained will be valid because you use real data. That is your publishing. You can stamp your name on it and you can publish it because you use real data. Understand the significance of that, because it's not hypothetical values we're using in the project. So according to this equation, if you study for 17 hours per week, you should expect something like 40%, 40, 45, thereabout. I mean, not 42.82 exactly you're going to get. This is an estimation. Okay. So if you want a higher mark, please study more according to these values. Okay. So here we're using the equation to estimate, to predict, and to forecast the score for 17 hours of study.